about to be so crazy. What the heck? Dude, I did not know this was... Everyone that watches my videos knows this freaking street, bro. This street is like the vibe. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're just gonna do a little chill little mountain POV. I'm gonna go through the mountains right now just to get some chores done. We're looking to buy this one property, so we'll see what's up. Obviously for the fam, I don't need it for myself. Just I don't need like anything special yet. You know, my goal is like eventually, you know, it's all about money, bro. Like, if I have enough money to buy something, I'll freaking buy it. But until then, dude, I'm just gonna vibe. You know what I mean? This is, I should have been making a way better video, but I have to wait on the bank, so I'm not gonna say too much about it. If you guys have me on Insta, you guys already saw what it's gonna be. But next video is gonna be freaking wild. That's all I'm gonna say. And you know, everything I've been saying, I told you guys I was gonna do it, and I freaking did it, and that's all that matters. And I stick to my word. You know, when I talk about something, dude, I'm not gonna daydream. I'm gonna freaking accomplish that, dude. You know, obviously with SVJ, that's a daydream, but I'm working towards it. You know what I mean? But anyways, if you guys, I don't know what's been going on with my channel. You guys been blowing. Oh my gosh, GT3RS. Whoa! That thing looks so amazing. Oh my gosh. Dude, yesterday I was chilling at Newport, and my homie's cousin has a GT3RS too. I was like, what? I didn't even know my homie's cousin had a GT3RS. I was like tripping, dude. My neighbor, bro, like what? So I got hyped for a second, but I was out of town. I would have made a video on that. But pretty much, boys, next video is about to be so lit. We're getting something really special. I told you guys I wanted to buy it for the year ends, and we did it. And I'm waiting on tomorrow for the banks to open. It's Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to everyone that's watching this. I'm gonna try to upload this probably maybe, so today's Christmas Day, maybe after Christmas Day. I'm gonna see if I can get things. I should have enough time, so I'll probably try to upload this sooner just to get like that Christmas vibe, you know, POV on Christmas Day type of thing. But I like about Christmas, there's like nothing going on. That's why I like a lot. But I'm really hyped for the next video, boys. You guys are gonna be hyped, bro. I cannot wait to what I'm gonna do so many things to this freaking car. I need to stop giving too many hints, bro. I'm gonna do so many things. It's gonna be so lit. I'm hyped. I'm gonna take it a little bit slower, but I'm gonna try to do one pull for you guys. I do want to warm up the car some more before I do some pulls. That wine will never get old, bro. This street's perfect, bro. Sheesh, bro. Dude, the torque in this car is so unrealistic, I'm gonna be honest. It just feels so crazy for no reason. Like, this car is not meant to be controlled at all. You can just feel, I mean, I love it for that reason. Oh, this street's freaking perfect right now. Oh my gosh, bro. Ever since driving my friend's M5, the M5 feels like a freaking toy. This car feels like a freaking, dude, I don't even know how to explain it. It's a beast. Like, it's not gonna be as fast as 060, but dude, it feels amazing. I can't even explain it, bro. After driving all these other cars, I'm like, dude, I love the way this car is like such a, like, I believe that every single person has like a Lamborghini, they should totally get a car like this because it's such a different feel. Holy. Dude, honestly, bro, I love how I don't drive this car on a daily. It just makes it way more fun. Man, my dad's in the RV. We actually drove that RV from Oregon, and we did an all-nighter, bro. We flew Friday morning, and we drove all. Wait, I'm getting Urus. Woo! Oh, it's going up the hill. Oh my gosh. What if we could meet this guy? Dude, I'm so pissed I didn't record. I think my girl might have recorded some of it, but pretty much I was driving the freeway, and this guy with a Lambo, his name is Grizzly. Bro, he just was such a vibe, I'm gonna be honest with you. He was so chill. We met, I got connected with him. He has a Lamborghini Urus as well. I'm sorry, I need to go to this freaking, where's this Lambo at? Wait, did he go start? No, he's up the hill. Come on, please, bro. Move out of the way, please. With all respect, bro. Like, no hard feelings, you know? Come on, please, bro, please. There's a Lambo Urus. Yeah, I'm gonna have to blur out a lot of things today, but dude, it's a freaking Lambo. I don't know, I don't care about connecting, I just want to freaking... Woo! That thing looks amazing. That thing looks amazing, sheesh. Oh my gosh, the freaking pull on this thing. Ridiculous. I hope I didn't ditch my dad. I need to follow my dad because I don't know where to even go. Holy. Yeah, I need to just not ditch my dad right now. I'm gonna let him catch up real quick. That Urus is nasty though, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. That Urus is nasty. I don't know what's up with like the design, but it looks way more aggressive than the other ones I've seen. I think Lamborghini Uruses are dope, but if I'm gonna get one, dude, I need to get like the Novatech one, the wide body kit, crazy rims. That's the dream, bro. My dad sees me recording right now. He's probably like, dude, my dad hates. Oh shit, this lane is ending. We're hopping on the freeway, so you know what that freaking means. This is what this car is freaking made for. Gosh, this car's freaking amazing. We're gonna go through the mountains first in a second. But I hope you guys been enjoying the vid. Make sure you guys leave a like right now if you guys are enjoying the vid. Dude, I posted the video 2 days ago, the most recent one, and it's at 3.2, 3.3K, which is wild. Like, this is what I'm saying, dude. I just upload the same thing because it's like I can't even predict the views. Like, it just happens, bro. So I'm just gonna keep going with the way I'm doing things. I know, like, you know, it's me just talking, but you know, I've seen YouTubers blow up just doing this, and I don't care about necessarily blowing up, but I just need to be able to do something that's like, I don't get emotionally drained, physically drained, all of the above. You know, I'm still able to work, trade, do other things, and do YouTube at the same time. You know, I don't want YouTube to be like just draining everything, because of course, obviously my goal is to be successful, right? I think that's everyone's goal, but with YouTube, I feel like the effort you have to put in to blow up, better just to put your effort in like another business, because you can probably succeed better in other businesses than YouTube. YouTube's like, obviously there's theory that works, like Mr. Beast was talking about, but I don't know. I'd rather just buy expensive cars and make videos on them. If you have good patience, I recommend, if you want to do trading, spend 1 year just learning paper trading and try to become so consistent to where you basically don't even lose. There was times, bro, with real money I was trading with, I didn't lose for 5 weeks. That's wild. But to make more money, bro, you gotta be willing to lose. So that's why I kind of stopped doing that strategies, because I was making money every single day, and obviously I could keep doing that, but I'd rather risk a certain amount and make more, rather than be a higher reward. So I was kind of risking a lot, making consistent, but I can see myself losing profits for just not be. I just need to be able to risk. I need to risk the same, but try to make more. And obviously sometimes you won't make as much money because, you know, it's gonna go back to break even, or it's gonna go all the way back. It just depends on your strategy, but we'll see what happens, bro. Sheesh, why is there so many cars here? Sheesh, bro, LA's the vibe, bro. These mountains are so nice. I can't wait until it starts raining, dude. It becomes even nicer, bro. Oh, I closed my mouth, bro. That's why it's not as loud. Dude, the valves are open, it's so juicy. I've had these tires for so long, bro. Honestly, I thought I'll burn through these tires way faster, but I want to go practice drifting more, dude. I want to go like find like a spot where I can actually do it legally. The handling's like obviously not great compared to like a BMW, but it's still not bad. You have to you have to push the pedal really like slightly, especially around corners, because then it slips like a, oh, some hops. Hops are nasty. But that's why I can't wait to get whatever I'm getting next. That's why I can't wait to get it, because I'm gonna be going through here like it's just butter, bro. This car's hard to control in the mountains, right? But that's what makes it enjoyable, because like that feeling, it feels so good when you're just like driving normally in the streets. But with the foreign, you can do obviously the mountains. Oh, since when is there a cave like this? I'm trying to get a video on my phone. I'll do it on the way back. I didn't know there's a big cave here. Yo, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so freaking amazing right now. Wow, oh my. This is about to be so crazy. What the heck? I did not know this was freaking here. Oh, I'm coming back here again someday, bro. Holy, that was a freaking amazing. Woo! That was amazing. I don't know how much I've recorded so far, but if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. Of course, subscribe if you're new. What I still don't get, dude, is that M5 video I posted. It's at 57,000 views now, and I'm getting like 30 to 50 views an hour still. Dude, it's been 6 months. So that's why the next video you're gonna see, that's part of the reason, honestly, and that's why I'm gonna send it. I'm so annoyed because I have to wait till tomorrow, bro. Like, Christmas got in my way, man. Fudge. I'm sad. Last time I was in one of these mountains, there was a freaking Aventador, and it disappeared, bro. If I was in a freaking foreign, dude, I would have chased that thing freaking down. Are M5s faster than Aventadors? I need to watch a video on that. On the way, when me and my dad were driving back from Oregon, bro, it was horrible, honestly. The freaking shocks in the back are like destroyed, bro, because when you're like trying to lay on the bed or something, bro, oh, it's a trampoline, bro. But I'm gonna end the video off, boys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.